Hey students, have you ever been in a situation where you received an RVT file and had no idea how to open it because you don't have Revit installed? You might have thought to yourself, how on earth do I open this without Revit? Well, don't worry, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. In this video, I'll guide you through 3 simple steps to open RVT files without needing Revit. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Download and install the Autodesk Viewer. This is a free tool provided by Autodesk that allows you to view various file formats, including RVT. Head over to the Autodesk website, search for their free online viewer, and sign up if you haven't already. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward. It's totally free and super easy to use. Once you have signed up, you can start using the viewer immediately. After signing in, follow the instructions to upload your RVT file. The interface is user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble navigating through it. Give it a moment to process and boom, your RVT file will be ready for viewing right in your browser. You can now explore your RVT file, view the 3D models, and even share it with others if needed. Step 2. Convert the RVT file to a different format. This step is useful if you need to do more than just view the file. There are various online converters available that let you turn RVT files into more accessible formats like DWG or PDF. Some popular options include Anycon, Cloud Convert, and Zamzar. These tools are reliable and easy to use. For instance, Anycon is a great choice. Just upload your RVT file, choose your desired format, and let the tool work its magic. The conversion process is usually quick, and you can download the converted file in no time. Once the conversion is complete, download the file, and you're good to go. You can now open it with software that supports the new format. Step 3. Use an alternative software. If you're looking for more functionality, consider using software like SketchUp or Blender. These programs can import the converted files and allow you to edit and manipulate the architectural data. They offer a range of tools for detailed editing. Both SketchUp and Blender have free versions and are quite user-friendly. They're widely used in the industry for various design and modeling tasks. Plus, they come with a ton of tutorials to help you get started. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, you'll find plenty of resources to guide you. These tutorials cover everything from basic navigation to advanced modeling techniques, making it easier for you to get the most out of the software. And there you have it. 3 simple steps to open RVT files without Revit. To recap, download Autodesk Viewer, convert the file, or use alternative software. Easy peasy. These methods are not only effective but also free, making them accessible to everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.